The Lagos State Task Force has warned traders who display their wares on the walkway indiscriminately along Oshodi Road and across the state that they will be arrested. The agency's chairman, Shola Chejeloye, made this known in a statement by its Director of Press and Public Affairs, Abdurrahim Gbadeon. The spokesperson of the All Progressive Congress Campaign Council, Festus Keyamo, has said he is unaware of the current location of the party's presidential flag bearer, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu. The presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, has commended the United Nations for its interest and sustained commitment to the growth of democratic processes in Nigeria. The Apex Igbo Socio-Cultural Organization, or Haneze Ndigbo, has said about 18 state governors across party lines are currently working behind the scene for the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi. Governor Nyesom Wike has reappointed Dr. Tami Danagogo as secretary to the Rivers State government. The Imo State chapter of the PDP has told the state governor, Hope Uzodinma, to prepare his handover notes ahead of the state's governorship election in the last quarter of 2023. The PDP, in a statement issued by its publicity secretary in the state, Collins Oporozo, accused the governor of planning to arrest and indefinitely detain some prominent leaders of the main opposition party. The Anambra State Governor, Professor Chukwuma Soludo, has denied the allegation that he is working against the ambition of the Labour Party presidential candidate, Peter Obi. Do you think Keyamo is telling the truth?